SeaAware develops an unmanned aerial system capable of identifying and locating search and rescue targets. The Distributed Systems subteam is responsible for designing, building, and running the imagery system that takes pictures of the ground, as well as the airdrop system that autonomously drops a payload onto a given location. The subteam implements a ground control station with a manual target recognition user interface, the on-aircraft airdrop, camera, and gimbal software, as well as communications between the two. This year, the subteam has completed a total rewrite of our system using a scalable and fault-tolerant architecture and cutting-edge web technology. We have also redesigned the user interface to be intuitive to users in a fast-paced competition environment. We use a point-bright Fleet 3 machine vision camera. The camera server interfaces with it to change its settings, as well as to take pictures and send them down to the ground control station. The gimbal server interfaces with the simple BGC gimbal to ensure that the camera stays pointed at the ground even when the plane is tilted. Furthermore, we can track targets as we fly by pointing the gimbal at certain angles or GPS coordinates. One of our tasks is to autonomously drop a payload within 150 feet of a specified location. The airdrop server uses physics and differential equations to calculate the optimal time to drop so that we get as close as possible to the target location. The ground control station is the software that communicates with the servers on the plane. It provides a user interface through which any number of users can identify targets in the images taken from the plane, as well as change the settings of any of the components on the plane. It also contains the software to geolocate targets, given the position of the target in the image, as well as the location of the plane at the time the image was taken. The system is robust enough to recover after disconnects between the plane and the ground. Each component is rigorously and continuously tested to ensure that it is bug-free. Before any of the code is used in production, it is examined line by line by at least 2 other members of the subteam. This ensures that our software meets its specifications and never crashes.